Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question greatest sum divisible by 3. Okay, let's write the code. First of all, create a DP and we put 30. And then for num in nums. And then, so we create a, let's say, current DP equal. So let me copy DP array like this. And then for current sum in current DP, and the new sum should be current sum plus num, and the remainder should be new sum %3, and then update DP remainder equal max of current total versus new sum, and then after that return DP 0. Yeah, so let me submit it.